Now, you might be wondering why you should listen to this guide. Well, the good news is that you're not alone in this pursuit. People from all walks of life have achieved financial success and will be sharing their stories and tips along the way. This guide is not about complex financial strategies or get-rich-quick schemes. It's a no BS, straightforward plan that anyone can follow. Setting the stage. Before we dive into the details, let's set the stage. Making $100,000 might seem like a daunting task, especially if you're starting from scratch. We're here to break it down for you, step by step. We'll be talking about mindset, hustle, planning, and taking action. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of how to make your first $100,000, and you'll be ready to take the first steps towards your financial goals. Mindset matters. First things first, let's talk about your mindset. Your attitude towards money plays a massive role in your financial journey. You've got to believe that it's possible to make $100,000. We get it. Doubts can creep in. We've been there too. But here's the thing. A positive money mindset can make all the difference. It's about believing in your ability to learn, adapt, and grow. Hustle hard. Now, let's get down to business. To reach your goal, you need a hustle, a side gig, or an extra income source. It's a crucial part of the equation. We're not saying you have to quit your job or work 24/7. No BS here. What we are saying is that finding something you're passionate about or skilled in can make this journey more enjoyable and profitable. Planning and goal setting. Success starts with a plan. You can set your goals by using SMART technique. SMART means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Your goal should be clear and precise. Your goal should be quantifiable so that you can track your progress. Your goal should be realistic and attainable. Your goal should be relevant to your overall objectives. Your goal should have a specific time frame or deadline. If you found this video informative, please do give it a like, and we hope that you found this video profitable in future. Comment down some tips for 100K grand if you know some. Take care.